How to log in Amerant Bank Online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Amerant Bank Online banking account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in www.amerantbank.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website, which look like this. Now here, click on the sign in on your top right. It will show up a pop-up, and here simply type in your user ID. In case you would like to remember your user ID for this site, then check the box that says Remember Me. And at the next page, you will be required to enter your password. Once you do all that, click on to sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Amerant account online. In case you are having any problem signing in, then you can click this link below that says Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. And just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.